Did you hear that? Yes. What is that sound? It's not an alarm. Let's go see.
Good morning, children. You woke up early today.
Grandma, we heard a loud sound. Yes, it woke us up.
That is our alarm clock.
Alarm clock? The hen. She wakes everyone. Wow, a hen is your alarm.
Life in the village is simple. Oh, you two are up already?
Mom, the hen woke us up. Good morning, Mom.
Better than your phone alarm, right?
Fresh air, bird sounds. I like this morning.
Today, we are going to the farmhouse.
Really? Can we come too?
Of course. Finish your milk first.
That sound. It's not the hen. Yeah, it sounds different.
Maybe a little bird. It sounds like it needs help.
Wait, I think it's coming from here.
Oh, look at this bird. Wow, it's so pretty.
Go slow, don't scare it.
Why isn't it flying?
Its foot is hurt.
Oh no, that's why it was calling.
It's okay. Don't be scared. We're here. We will help you.
Yes, children, we should take care of small animals.
Here, give it some water.
Drink, it's okay. I'm helping.
See, it's drinking. I think it feels safe now.
It's a small injury. It just needs rest.
Mom, let's take it home. It will be safe there.
Yes, we'll keep it with us for some time.
Come, let's get you safe. Can we give it some food too?
Yes, little by little.
Chirp! Look, it's not scared now.
See, not all sounds are noise.
Sometimes they mean something.
First the hen, now this bird. So many things to learn here.
All right, my little helpers, finish your milk now.
Okay, Mom. Then we go to the farmhouse and come back for the bird.
Yes, we'll check on it later.
Why is this road not smooth?
This is a dirt road.
It is not paved?
Yes, it is an unpaved path. Very common in villages.
So many trees and open land.
See this big grassland? It's called a meadow.
A meadow. It looks beautiful.
The soil is soft.
Yes, this soil is good for farming.
Do crops grow here?
Yes, wheat, vegetables, many things grow here.
Look, that bird is flying close.
Birds feel safe here.
This path is very small.
That is called a lane.
People walk here every day? Yes, and sometimes animals too.
I hear a stream nearby.
Really? Let's go see.
I hear it too. It's this way.
That is a small stream, also called a brook.
Come fast, Ava.
It feels so peaceful here. Yes. No noise, no traffic.
Just nature. Wow, this place is incredible. The trees are so green and the river is so peaceful. I love it here.
Walking here is so relaxing. The fresh air does wonders for us.
Yeah, it feels so peaceful.
It really does.
Wow, the water is so clear. It's cold. Do people use this water?
Yes, sometimes, and animals drink from it too.
What are these plants? What are these plants?
This is a hedgerow.
Hedgerow?
Yes, a line of bushes. It makes a natural boundary.
It also gives shelter to birds and small animals.
Where do birds go for shelter?
They build cozy nests in trees and bushes. Oh, cool!
That's right.
I can see the farmhouse. And people are working? What are they doing?
They are milking cows.
And these animals?
These are sheep. They graze in the meadow.
Look there. The fence needs fixing.
Why is the fence important?
It keeps animals safe inside the paddock.
Look! That chicken is running fast. Yes, they like to move freely. What is this place?
This is a stable.
What is he carrying?
That is feed for the animals.
Do they eat it every day?
Yes, every morning and evening.
They are eating grass slowly.
That is called grazing.
So many things happen here.
Yes, farm life is busy but peaceful.
How do we go to the other side? Yes, the fence is closed. Do we open it?
No, we don't open the fence. We use this. It is called a stile.
A stile? Yes, it helps people cross the fence.
All right, kids, watch how it's done.
It looks high, Grandpa.
It's safe. Just use the steps.
Can I go next?
Of course, dear. Done.
Like this, Grandpa? I got it. That's it. Good job.
Ready? Up you go.
Okay, Grandpa.
Careful now.
My turn.
That's it. Good job.
Look there. What are they doing in the garden?
They are weeding.
Weeding?
Yes, they remove unwanted plants.
And they tend the vegetable garden every day.
10 means take care.
Yes, take care of the plants.
Look, they are drinking water. Where does the water come from?
From that trough.
This one? This is the trough?
Yes, animals drink from it.
What is that?
That is hay.
And this, is it a hay feeder?
Yes, animals eat from there.
Everything feels so slow here.
Yes, it's a slow pace of life. No noise, no hurry.
Just simple work and peaceful days.
I really like this place.
Me too, it feels nice. Wait, why are the animals just standing here? They are not drinking water. Oh, there is no water. It's empty! I think they are thirsty.
Yes, the trough is empty. We should fill it again.
Hey, look there! Oh no, the goat is outside!
The fence is broken.
That's how it got out.
What should we do first?
Let's help the animals.
Ben, come with me. We'll fill the trough.
Okay!
It's a bit heavy.
That's okay. Go slowly.
Now they can drink. They look better now.
Come here. Easy.
It's okay. Don't be scared.
Good. Let's take it back inside.
We got it back!
Now we fix the fence.
Can I help too?
Yes, hold this piece.
I'm here.
Good work together.
Now it's strong again.
The paddock is safe.
I feel really good.
Me too.
Come, Ava, let's gather eggs.
Yes, Grandma. Where do the hens keep the eggs?
In the nesting box.
Nesting box?
Yes, a safe place for hens to lay eggs.
Oh wow, so many eggs! Grandma, look! A big clutch!
Yes, that is called a clutch.
Yes, that is called a clutch.
Clutch means many eggs together?
Yes, a group of eggs in one nest.
Hold it softly, don't drop it.
Okay, I'm careful. What is the hen doing?
It is foraging.
Foraging?
It is looking for food on the ground.
Oh, like searching for food.
Exactly.
This is fun, and a little tricky.
Yes, you are doing well.
Grandpa, can I feed the horse?
Yes, but be gentle.
Okay, I will go slowly.
Keep your hand flat.
Like this?
Yes, that's good.
It's coming closer.
Don't worry, it's friendly.
Okay, I'm not scared. Wow, it's eating from my hand. Ben, that's so cool. It feels soft.
Animals feel your kindness.
Today we collected eggs and fed a horse. Best day ever! Look, what is that machine doing? It's making lines in the soil.
That's a tractor. It is plowing the field.
Plowing, what does that mean?
It means turning the soil,
Why do they turn the soil?
so it becomes soft and ready for planting.
The soil looks different now.
Yes, after plowing, the soil is loose.
That helps plants grow better?
Yes, it helps the roots grow easily.
Before tractors, how did people do it?
They used animals like oxen.
It looks like hard work. Yes, but machines make it easier now.
I like watching this.
Me too. It's so interesting. Why is this wood here?
We stack firewood for winter.
For cold days?
Yes, to keep warm.
Ben, look there. A rabbit! Wait, I want to see it.
Hold your horses!
But I am not holding any horse.
The rabbit is gone. It runs so fast. Grandpa, what does hold your horses mean?
It means slow down, Rush.
Oh, like I was running too fast?
Yes.
Okay, I will slow down.
That's better.
This place is full of surprises. Yes, first the bird, now the rabbit.
That's farm life.
The sky looks different.
Yes, it's getting dark. The air feels fresh. That smell is called petrichor,
Petrichor.
the smell of rain on dry soil.
It smells really nice. The air feels moist now.
My clothes are getting wet. It's raining.
Come on, let's go inside before it gets heavy. All right, let's get snug.
This feels warm.
I like this.
Look, the fields look so green.
And the rain is falling everywhere.
Here's some snacks.
Thank you. Warm chocolate milk. Let's check on the bird.
Hey, it's awake.
Hi, are you okay?
It looks better now. It just needs some rest.
The bird is healing so well.
Yes, its wing looks much better.
We'll take good care of it.
Would you like to hold him?
Yes, please. He's so beautiful. It's safe here.
We helped it.
It feels so calm.
This is the beauty of village life.
Is this heavy rain, Grandpa?
Right now it's light, but when it comes down very hard,
Oh, so this is just the beginning.
Today was the best day.
Yes, I learned so many new things.
And helped others too.